guys, how's it going? Today it's a good day because since morning basically forecast saying it's gonna be every day on plus, so it means the snow is melting down and maybe soon I'm gonna start riding, so I have to push a little bit more my project forward. So yeah, and today it's a good day because we're gonna install this and this. So basically this is a Hinson clutch. It's, I think, one of the best, or if not the best, clutch on the market. And basically I would like to say big thank you to Hinson Clutch and Components for supporting me with my build and with my racing this season. They were super nice to get me some stuff, and I really appreciate that, so thank you guys. And today we're gonna install clutch and maybe engine hangers, we'll see. So yeah, check this video out. Okay guys, as you may see here, I already took stock clutch out, put nice works connection oil filter cap. So the process of taking it out, it wasn't that difficult, but remember to keep right tools. Sometimes it is expensive, but it may cost you big time. And I was really lucky. What happened, when I was like trying to take the clutch out, I didn't have the right tool, and yeah, so basically after that I went to the store and bought this tool. Yeah, so keep right tools for all your needs, because stuff like this may happen. And I was, lucky enough that I was able to find this part and didn't go to my engine. Okay, so let's have a look what we have here. Damn, it's looking good. Okay guys, so project clutch is already done. It's looking real sweet. I hope I did everything alright. I hope I'm not gonna blow the engine, so that's pretty much it for today. Hinson clutch is in, works, chassis lap, engine hangers and engine mounts are in, so basically not much left. Seat, plastics and other stuff, but basically this is all details. It's not too much to do anymore, so I'm hoping the weather is going to be better in upcoming weeks, and well, maybe we're gonna start testing soon, so it will be great. Anyways, if you like what I'm doing here, hit the subscribe button and check out my other videos, and can't wait for the summer, guys. Cheers, take care.